Hello everyone, today we are going to make chicken fried rice. It's a simple and convenient dish that everyone loves. It's healthy, colorful, and so satisfying. When it comes to fried rice, many people prefer using cold leftover rice because it's easier to cook with and the grains stay nicely separated. But fresh rice works too. I'm using Thai jasmine rice here, 1 cup of rice with a 1:1 ratio of water. Just remember, if you are cooking rice for fried rice in the rice cooker, don't add too much water. Now that the rice is ready, let's prepare the chicken. I'm using 2 chicken thighs, about 200 grams in total. First, slice into strips, then dice into small cubes. The meat is halfway frozen, which makes it much easier to cut. And then marinate with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon sugar and some white pepper powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and mix well. After that, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon sesame oil and mix till the chicken is well coated. Set aside while we prepare the vegetables. First, prepare the carrot. I'm using a small piece, about 50 grams. Slice it into thin pieces, then into strips, and then finally cut into small cubes. And then next, chop 2 stalks of green onions. And then slice 2 shallots into small pieces. And then measure 1/3 cup of frozen corn and 1/3 cup of green peas. And then crack 2 eggs into a bowl and beat them lightly. Set aside for later. Now we are going to make the sauce, which is the final step before cooking. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and mix well till combined. With everything is prepared, we are going to cook. Add 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan, pour in the beaten eggs, and scramble till just a side. And then remove and set aside. Now that the eggs are done, let's move on to the chicken and vegetables. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan, put in the marinated chicken and leave it for a short moment without moving it, so it can sear on the bottom. Then stir fry the chicken till the pieces are mostly cooked on the outside. And when the chicken is almost done, add 1 tablespoon of rice wine and you stir fry quickly. After that, add the carrot, shallots, corn, and the green peas. Give everything a quick stir. Then season with half a teaspoon sugar, 1/3 teaspoon of salt, and half of the prepared sauce. Mix well, and once the chicken and vegetables are about 70% done, transfer everything to the plate and set aside. Finally, it's time to cook the rice. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan and then add in the cooked rice we prepared earlier. Use the spatula to break up the clumps and stir fry over medium-high heat till the rice is hot and separated. And then season with 1/3 teaspoon of salt and pour in the remaining sauce. Stir well so the rice is evenly coated and can fully absorb the flavor. At this point, add back the chicken and the vegetables. Mix everything together and stir fry till the moisture has cooked off. Then add the scrambled eggs and the chopped green onions. Give a few final tosses. And the chicken fried rice is done. The rice is fluffy, the chicken is tender, and the vegetables add color and sweetness. This recipe is not only simple and convenient, but also balanced with protein, veggies, and carbs all in one dish. I hope you give this recipe a try at home. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you next time.